Welcome back to Advancing the Vocabulary. Today's our three words are word 46 is pontificate, word 47 is assiduously, and word 48 is tyro. Pontificate means to speak in an authoritative way, to speak in a commanding way, to show that the idea, the opinion that you possess, that you have about a particular topic is the absolute, and you are absolutely right, and all other people who has a second opinion to you, they are wrong or they might be wrong. Its synonyms are lecture, sermonize, or dogmatize. Its sentence is she would often pontificate on political matters, delivering her opinions as if they were unquestionable truths. Like she shares her opinions, her ideas on political matters in such an authoritative and commanding way to show that her opinions are absolutely correct. And the next word is assiduously. It means to work carefully and persistently to achieve a goal. When someone work with great care, with great diligence, and consistently and persistently to achieve a goal or to complete a task, so we use the word assiduously. Its synonyms are diligently, vigilantly, and meticulously. The word meticulate means, or meticulous means, with great care. Its sentence is she assiduously studied for the exam to secure a good grade. When you are preparing for exam assiduously, it means you are covering each and every topic and every area, even a single marks question matter for you. So this is how you are preparing assiduously, and this will help you to secure good grades. The next word is tyro. It means someone who is new to a particular field or a particular activity. Its synonyms are novice, freshman, and beginner. Its sentence is all great writers, athletes, and artists were tyro at one time. Like they had limited knowledge or limited understanding about a particular topic, about a particular activity in a particular field, but later on with a lot of experience and a lot of activities, they gain their expertise in that particular field. So these were our three words. We will see you with the next three words. Till that time, take care and support our channel, subscribe it, like it, and share it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.